There are many SEO DIY tools you can and should be using to make sure your business is found by more people online. In this video, we'll take you through the most useful free SEO tools that we think can be immensely useful for business owners who are looking to boost the visibility of their businesses on Google. Let's get started. Google Keyword Planner. This is an indispensable tool for anyone looking to craft their SEO strategy. It's free and relatively easy to use, even for SEO beginners. The point of using the tool is finding keywords which will benefit your site and boost its visibility in Google if implemented correctly on your website. Researching and choosing keywords is a first and important step to crafting your SEO strategy. We've touched on how to use it in our Google Keyword Planner video, so feel free to watch it and follow instructions if you've never used it before. You can also read through our small business SEO tips on how to implement your keywords on your website. Yoast plugin for WordPress. If your site is built with WordPress and if you're publishing content on your site, you should be using Yoast. Yoast is a WordPress plugin which will help you optimize your website content with the keywords you've researched using Google Keyword Planner tool we just mentioned. Yoast provides WordPress users with suggestions and instructions on how to optimize website content for SEO in the best possible way. We use it ourselves at SEO Melbourne and SEO Sydney, and did we mention it's free? Google Analytics. If you utilize Google Keyword Planner and Yoast, you now have to find out if your new strategy is working. Checking your rankings on Google is one way. However, there's a lot more data you should be tracking to be able to consistently improve your SEO strategy. Google Analytics, among other things, helps you track how many users are visiting your website, where they come from, and how long they spend on your site. You can also track data for different periods, locations, and many other variables. Check out some of our video guides for more in-depth tips on how to use Google Analytics. Google PageSpeed Insights. Making sure your website is as fast as possible is increasingly important as digital audiences have less time and are becoming more impatient. In fact, nearly 70% of consumers say slow sites negatively affect their purchase intentions. Google PageSpeed Insights tool is great as it can analyze your website and provide you with suggestions on what you could change to improve your site's speed. You should make sure you're taking advantage of free advice this great tool provides. There are, of course, plenty of other great free SEO tools, but we feel like these are the key ones that all business owners should have on their radar and know how to use if possible. Using Google Keyword Planner, Yoast, Google Analytics, and Google PageSpeed Insights will help you step on the right path to boost your business's success.